Welcome to Azure Weekly, your quick roundup of Azure service updates. Here are 6 from the week of June 4th, 2026. First, generally available. Microsoft Entra server principals, that is, logins for Azure SQL Database. You can now create login from external provider in the virtual master database, which brings Entra identities to full parity with traditional SQL logins. In practice, that means you manage database access with your cloud identities, instead of maintaining separate SQL accounts, cleaner and easier to govern. Second, in public preview, agent mode for GitHub Copilot inside SQL Server Management Studio. Instead of just suggesting code, the agent can actively work with your database, investigating performance problems, tuning queries, reviewing maintenance and configuration, and flagging security concerns. Think of it as an AI assistant sitting right inside SSMS, helping you with the database chores that usually eat your afternoon. Third, generally available, the Azure NVIDIA series virtual machines, powered by NVIDIA's RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell Server Edition GPUs. Each GPU packs 96 gigabytes of memory, and the VMs are launching in new Azure regions. That large GPU memory is the headline. It lets you run bigger AI models and heavier inference or rendering jobs on a single card, without splitting them across GPUs. Fourth, generally available. Premium SSD v2 disks now support non-zonal virtual machines. Premium SSD v2 is Azure's flexible, high-performance disk, but until now it required you to pin the VM to an availability zone. This update lets you attach it to single-instance, non-zonal VMs in regions that have zones, so you get top-tier disk performance without having to design around a specific zone. Fifth, generally available, the PostgreSQL Hub for Azure developers. It's a single landing spot that pulls together the resources for building on Azure Database for PostgreSQL, curated sample apps and solution accelerators, hands-on tutorials, and structured learning pathways, with a strong focus on AI and app development. If you're starting a Postgres project on Azure, it's a much faster on-ramp. And sixth, generally available, Azure Migrate can now discover and assess Azure Files. It supports SMB and NFS file shares hosted on both Windows and Linux servers worldwide. So before you move your file shares to the cloud, you get a complete, data-driven view of what you have and a clear migration path, instead of guessing at sizes and dependencies. So that's your week on Azure. Entra logins for SQL, Copilot and SSMS, Blackwell GPU VMs, Premium SSD v2 on non-zonal VMs, the PostgreSQL Hub, and Files assessments. Docs are in the description. Which one helps you most? Tell me in the comments and subscribe.